What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna finally fix that boost leak. RiffRaff boots finally showed up that I ordered. I didn't get the clamps. I already got truck's got clamps, so I'll put new clamps on it at some point, but I wasn't too worried about that right now. So I just want to get the 4 new boots on. So we have to pull all the piping. So it's just down here, the top of this pipe there. This right here, and then the fun one down here, which I'm gonna have to pull my freaking air filter again. I hate pulling this thing. So we're gonna put you on on my head, and we're gonna get this done. Hopefully it won't take too long. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I need extensions. Yeah, they're fixing our road down there, something. But yeah, so you just take boots off. I was told it is better or easier to take off the boots and leave them connected to the pipe. Alright, clean the ends of the pipe really good before you put new boots on.
So which one was the bad one? Like the real bad one?
Show all the cracks.
Oh yeah.
Which is where it was leaking. It's leaking through all this.
Right.
Look.
Yeah, I'd say that's a little bit.
She's shot.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah, and that's why I think, and I mean, it was still building boost. It was just, I don't think as much, and it was getting really freaking annoying. Listening to
Well, I don't blame you for
every time I freaking hit the throttle, and it went from being like only when I'm like half throttle or more to like if I'm to like a quarter throttle, it's fucking just squealing, and like it's loud, and it's kind of getting embarrassing at this point because of that's literally how loud it is.
I believe it.
because all the holes that hold mine, or the tabs that hold mine, are broke. So this is just
Chilling.
chilling, yeah. Quite literally, just chilling here. So I'm getting better at taking it apart.
That's good. That's not looking too good, good thing. Really? Really? Really, Claire?
So apparently these are stapled to the clamp.
I mean, I guess doesn't make much sense to me, but I'm kind of wondering why there's so much oil down there.
It's been there for a while. It's not fresh oil. I'm actually a little bit impressed how well that takes my stuff off my hands. Alright, so I'm going to clean this up and we'll be back because it's going to take me a little bit to clean up. Well, I guess my GoPro died. This is actually a little bit brighter for at night. But like I said, we forgot to record. These clamps are a little bit small for these boots because they are quite a bit thicker. If you didn't see my video of why we had to replace the boots, the one on the turbo up here, right there, had cracks in it. It was wore out, it's old. It has stress cracks in it, so it was leaking real bad, so we replaced all 4 of them with RiffRaff. RiffRaff is some of the best ones you can buy. Super thick, actually real easy to put on. I was really surprised how easy they were to put on. Like I said, the only trouble we had was with the clamps, and then I dropped the nut, so. But, yeah. So we'll go for a drive and see if we got her all good and no more boost leaks. It's been pretty much leaking since I bought the truck shortly after. Right after I bought it, started running shitty. And then got it. Then the boost leak started. And then I got it fixed and the boost leak got worse. So this will be the first time I really actually got to drive it without a boost leak. And it running good, so. So when I first bought it and drove it for a little while, I was throwing a trailer and it ran really good and it had a lot of power. And it wasn't leaking boost. Go for a cruise. Alright, so we're literally down the road and it didn't fix the issue because I think we just found out that my intercooler might actually be cracked. Because, you know, why would I have good luck with a vehicle, you know? Why wouldn't I have a lot of issues? Because, you know...
My 6.0 be flat.
My 6.7, my 6.0, my Mustang, everything I buy freaking breaks. I literally have not really beaten on this thing. I did one freaking burnout with it. One. And it was broke before that, before anyone can count, so that's why I broke. So listen. You hear the turbo, and then it starts squealing. Ah! We had shut the sauce so I can talk. We had a lot of oil down here by this intercooler boot, and I'm wondering if that's where it's cracked. It's somewhere down over here. You can see this is all covered in oil right here. So if anybody has it, because like the crankcase vents into my intercooler system, so all oil is in my intercooler system. which would make sense why there'd be oil down here. If anyone has had this issue and thinks that it could possibly be the issue, let me know. So to kind of confirm it, but I'm pretty sure that's the issue. I'm pretty sure the intercooler is cracked. So that one's gonna be expensive.
Nah,
that one is gonna take me a little while to order. So if anyone wants to help me out, please go buy my merch, because I kind of need that right now. Because damn it. Plus, I gotta wait a little while because I gotta buy a beater car for winter, because this isn't driven in winter, and we're coming up crazy fast on winter. And also, we got to finish the
Anyone want to see donuts in the Camaro in the winter, let me know.
So he's gonna do donuts in the Camaro in the winter. Yeah. Also, we got to finish the garage. So yeah.
Fuck yeah, money!
Intercooler's just gonna have to wait a bit. So I guess we're just driving it like that for now. For like the next month. So with that being said, since that totally did not fix the issue, I hope you guys enjoyed the intercooler boot install. And it's super simple. So if you don't know how to do it, well,
Get better.
Get better. This should show you how to do it. With that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, go into the giveaway on Instagram. It's 100% free, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. All right, so I just want to do a really quick update on this because it's been a few days since I recorded this video, and I'm currently just editing it. But the weirdest thing is going on. So after I recorded this video, the next morning I went to work, right? I started my truck, drove to work. I didn't get on the throttle because the truck was cold. It was cold outside. After work, though, I drove it. The boost leak is gone. It randomly just stopped. So I don't know if one of the boots was still leaking and it just kind of warmed up and sealed itself, or if it's just one of those things where it's temporarily not leaking. And then as soon as I'm like, oh, it's not going to leak and I'm not going to order an intercooler, it'll be fine the rest of this year. And then in spring, it's going to leak again while I get it all back together after it being apart most of winter. I don't know, but for some reason, I don't know why, but it is currently not leaking now. And yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that because I said it was leaking. So if anyone was wondering, no, it is currently not leaking anymore. Why? I have no idea. That being said, like, comment, subscribe, go into the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.